Hey guys, this is me, Saifuddin Ghanizada. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to bootable any kind of Windows in a GPT partition with UEFI interface. But first, intro. Welcome back guys. All you need is a USB drive which should be at least 8 GB. And the second thing you need is a software named Rufus, which is a very useful software. You can download the software from the link in the description. The third thing you need is an ISO or image file of the Windows. Okay guys, let's not waste the time and start making bootable the USB. Now that you have downloaded the software, right click on the software and run it as administrator. Now connect the USB to your computer. The software will automatically detect the USB. Now you have to choose the ISO of the Windows or the image file of the Windows. Click on select, choose your Windows, click on open. Now that you have selected the ISO file, from the partition scheme select GPT, and from the target on the system you have only one option, which is UEFI non-CSM. Select this one. You can rename the USB, but I will stick with the default name. You should not change any other option like file system or clusterized size. Everything is okay, let it be the default one. Click on start. It will give you a warning that all the data in the USB will be formatted. No problem, click OK. Wait until the operation is finished. This operation might take some time. It depends on the ISO file and also on the specification of your laptop. I recommend that you use a USB 3 flash drive. It will boost up the whole operation. I forgot to mention the most important part of this operation. If you have started the operation, you will not be able to cancel. Otherwise, when you click the cancel, it will cancel the operation, but sometimes your USB might be write protected, which will harm your USB system and you will not be able to use the USB. I have experienced this kind of damage to my USB twice, and I have damaged 2 USBs. So I would never recommend you to click on cancel. Once you have clicked on the start, you have to wait till the operation ends. Here you go guys, the operation is successfully completed. Remove the USB from your computer. And that's all. Hey guys, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, comment down if you have any problem, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.